Alright.
Has arrived right as the sun comes
up. It sounds great, right? Been a real long time since we've been out. Yeah, my check engine light came back on for running rich again. Suspect it's a leaky injector. Yeah. What's up, guys? So today we're doing something a little bit different. We're going on a nice, fun cruise. Got a couple of the guys out here. Ben showed up. You gonna join us? He got a new hood for the TA. I think that'll looks pretty spiffy. You guys will like that too. Yeah, canyon roads, early morning sunrise. It's cool. So the cars will be happy. We're happy. We're not covered in sweat, which is the big point for coming out here this early in the morning.
I'm surprisingly awake. Like my alarm went off.
Yeah.
Like, okay, let's do this.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
ready.
yeah. I woke up and it's like I've been noticing once I get up in the morning, I actually like being up. More time to do stuff. That's the way I'm looking at it now.
Let's see if I make it happen.
I mean, every now and then I think it's fine.
Ryan Little.
Making a video, so it's be cool for you guys and for us. Trying something new for once, so definitely let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you're in Texas and you know about some really good driving roads, let me know in the comments below. Join the Facebook page, Texas Tow Community. We're gonna be going on a lot more drives, putting on a lot more cruises, and just turning this thing out to be something huge and fun. And the more people, the better in most cases. So. So yes, let us know what you guys think, and if you have any cool ideas for driving roads around Texas. Around, you know the area that we're in. All right. You guys probably can't see it. I'm gonna feel my tire pressure real quick. This one was higher. Everything else was at like 33.9. This one's at 34.1. So 35. Yeah, that's way higher than everything else. What the? Yeah. We're off. Well, cars in tow. Probably should be like having the camera behind me, so you can see all the cars back there. But I think I'll just switch positions at one point. You can barely see me as well, so. Alright, you guys can kind of see me a little bit more now. It's still a really low light, but we're here. On my ass. Yeah, it's real good. I love it. Going up in the bend, he's It's like really far back. But this car is not really set up for this, so that probably has a lot to do with it. Some nice roads, some cruising. I want to turn the camera around because he was like right up on me. That was pretty cool. So for this next section that you guys have already seen the front of, or I can over, yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera around, and I might even take it off of me and just put the camera, the big camera facing the front, and put my GoPro facing the back, and that way you can see the cars back there doing their thing. I think that'd be pretty cool. Over to change camera and just assess, make sure everyone's good. Ben's having some oil pressure issues, so we're worried about that, so I'm gonna take it a little easy. The last thing we need is that thing dropping into anything, having any sort of issues while we're out here. I should have my vitals up as well. I need to bring my old phone as my fucking device, and I keep forgetting to do that. This one is the one I'm kind of wary about. This one on 1093, it's a good road. But the next one, it's like a really small road, so I'm not sure if it's going to be as good as the map made it look. It made it look decent, actually. It didn't make it look super good, but it made it look decent. To change up the video a little bit, give different perspectives. You'll still hear my voice, but once we get to the next road, so we'll make another stop at the next stop, which will be the junction between this road and the highway onto the next part of it. And when we get there, I'll make another stop, make sure everyone's good. And I'll change the cameras around again one more time, and that should be cool. Just to get as many perspectives as I can. See how this video comes out. It should be a lot of fun. Okay, so GoPro battery's almost dead. The sun's up, got more light. Ben turned back. His car is giving him some signs, some weary signs. Got the GoPro back inside. It's about to die, so I wanted to monitor it. And then we're gonna do the last leg of the road, and that'll be it. All right, guys. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this style of video. You know, I'm gonna try to edit it together to make it as engaging and fun as possible. Next part, he was like, "Yeah, I'm at a 2 out of 10." So, I mean, I understand. He's driven a hell of a lot more fun roads. The guy that's behind me in the Audi, that thing's fast for sure. Him as well. Yeah, he's driven a hell of a lot more fun roads. So, I definitely get it. He's used to more action, more consistently. I'm still new to this, looking for fun roads in Texas thing, without having, well, so yeah, but I like this road. It's fun. It is a bit of a small connecting route that's not near as engaging as you would think, but it's still fun. It's still a lot of fun. But like I said, so if you guys are in the Texas area, San Antonio, Austin, Houston, Dallas, and you know of some fun roads in the areas, let me know. Drop them down in the comments below. I really want to find new fun roads because I want to make this a regular thing to do. I think that thing's quick. We'll do a proper run on the way back, I suppose, and line them up side by side, do a dig and a roll and see what happens. I'm genuinely curious. I can tell. So it definitely should be faster. Yeah, it's a little bit more weight, but it's also a good bit more power too. But I'm always up for a challenge. A challenge. Here's where it gets fun. And I need my sunglasses. So the sun's up now. Want to get some coils on this thing. I know I can make it handle and ride a lot lot better than what it currently does. Don't get me wrong, it's great. It's freaking fantastic, but with just the springs, it's definitely not nearly as good as it could be. But the turn-in's great, and right there where it loads up, it's actually really good. Great grip. The brakes are fantastic from the chassis. You need to be good about having good brakes. This is a little off-camber turn right here. And then it goes in-camber. It's weird, but it's nice. Pretty much leaving fifth here. That was a big number, that's for sure. Whoa, that's what you don't want to see. Third camera, so I can have all three views going on. I technically do have a third GoPro, it's just a really old one. Is like right there. I love it. Love to see it. Love to see it. It slows down back to town so we can chill. It's a good way to start my Sunday. Made some content, met someone new. You know, it's got out of the comfort zone, did something different. But that's okay. It was a fun section, a fun run. I enjoyed myself. I hope he enjoyed himself as well. And yeah, next drive we'll check out one of those Porsche Audi drives, and we'll see what that's like. See how intense that gets. And hopefully by then, I mean, I probably will have stage 2 done, so we'll be able to get be faster.
It's really humid.
Yeah, I can tell. You don't have a little.
I just cleaned it. It fogged back up again immediately.
Like at one point there was a lot of like rock chips and stuff.
Yeah, at one point it got real bumpy.
Not like rock chips, bro. Like I felt like it was raining on my car and shit.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's something like that.
What do you think of the drive?
It's a horrible experience, guys. Don't do this if you're not under supervision. So yeah, no, I mean I love it. I love it, bro. The curves are awesome. You know, getting out of the normal everyday life is fun. You know.
Definitely, that's kind of the whole point.
Was to just get out of the comfort zone, do something a little bit different, and try to get something normal going here. And the lens is like,
it keeps blurring out.
yeah, it keeps blurring out. It's
Yeah,
so
I mean, it's super
foggy.
humid here.
It's super humid here. But so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just wrap this up. I'm gonna head back, do a couple of little fun runs, and then I'll wrap it up there, and then that'll be it for this one. Thank you guys so much for checking it out. Really appreciate it.
All right.
It's not my power band for sure. Good Lord, that thing is fast. Good Lord, that thing is fast. All right. I got him until one. I mean, shit, that was a good one.